Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my attendance tracking system, which has 3 awesome sections, making it a lot more easier to track your team's data. In the first section, it has a magic button to record your in time as well as your out time. Coming to the next section, you can record your past or upcoming leave request like this, entering date, reason, and just submit it. Additionally, in the third section, you can track your daily work summary as well. You just have to enter the date, details, and the amount of time you have invested. All these features makes it an end-to-end solution for your team's success. If you want to know more how it works, hang on tight. We are about to dive in. Once you open the link in the description, you see a screen like this. Now you just have to follow what is shown on the screen. Go to File, then click on Make a Copy, then click on Make a Copy again. Once the sheet is fully loaded, then click on Extensions and then click on App Script. After this, you have to click on Deploy, click on New Deployment. Here you can name it. I'm naming it as Tracker, and select User accessing the web app. Then in this section, select anyone with Google account and just click Deploy. It will generate a URL which can be shared with the team and they can directly use it. Just copy the URL, or you can just open it like this. And once you open, it will ask for the permission, so you have to give. So click on Review Permission, click on your email ID, then click on Advanced, scroll down and click on this link, then scroll and again click on Allow. And once you give the authorization, this script will start and the owner of the script will be you. Let's use it once. So if we go and check the backend, as of now there are no details. Okay, let's use the script and we'll check the backend. I'll put some details here, the date, sick, and again the date, and it is like casual, then submit it again. Okay, and then enter some work details, date, lead 1, time 8 hours, and then submit. Let's go at the backend and check. As you can see, the timestamp is there, attendance present, email address, date, in time, out time. And in the leave section, we have sick leave and casual leave. And in the work summary section, we have email ID, date, details, and the time. And this is how you can launch the web app as a owner and share the web app link to the intended users. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, then please subscribe and like my words. Thank you very much.